Modeling with STAAD.Pro. STAAD is a generalized software. It can be designed almost on all types of structures from civil engineering to aeronautical structures. So it is important to learn how quickly we do the modeling without errors. And also for more details, of course, you can contact bentley.com. But however, we are trying to provide some tips over here. Please subscribe to the channel. So STAAD.Pro is very generalized software. You can typically create any type of models from building to aeronautical structures and then do the analysis and design. So let's learn in this example how we can do the building models. So there are many types of building models. Typically you can select any one to start with. So in this example, maybe we can choose any high-rise buildings, and if you go to the plan view of 3-bedroom house, yes, you can get it right. So you can even select any one from. So now first option, creating the geometry. So you can give the edit option. In this grid, you can create a grid, 1 meter grid or 2 meter grid or whatever you want. For example, in X direction you want 10, you can set up as a 10 as well, right? So we can just, if you want to increase even 15 or whatever, this one automatically grid will be set for you. So right now for modeling purpose, you can able to make it as a plan view, top view to set up this one. So typically the living room is 4 by 5 meters approximately. So we go for up to 5, and then another one is master bedroom or something, and then this width is 4 meters, and the next is 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 plus 3 is 10. So similarly you come over here is 4, and then you can make it as a 1 typical. So you press the control button to move the mouse wherever you want. For example, if you want to start from here, you can able to create 1, and you can able to create this. Similarly, this one will come over here. So similarly, if you want to set up this one, you can able to create. So we have given some few things, and then you can give the escape button to close the. So this is a small structure we have created. On top of that, if you want to create a additional beams in between the nodal points, so this is a straight node to node, and this is a perpendicular to the node point to the member. So right now we will select this one. So once you select this one, you can able to create additional beam point, right? So typically we have created some small structure, the plan view. And then there are many options we have to generate the model from few high-rise up in a few levels actually. So let me take out this one. So once you select all these beams, you go to the geometry and go to the translation repeat, where in the Y direction, so you can keep the links and then hit OK. So how many steps you want to generate? For example, your apartment is 8 floors and or maybe 10. So just once you get 8, go to the isometric view. The building apartment has been generated. Right. So once this has been done, you take out the bottom if you want to make it this. So the plan view will be is like this, and the isometric top view will be like this. So eventually, for example, if you want to build up this one in additional, as a joint apartments, you just simply copy over this, and then we will go to the paste beams, and then you put the reference point, whatever the reference point you want. Maybe for example this, and or maybe this is the reference point, and then you can click on here. So the duplicate beams will be ignored, and automatically the joint structure will be generated. So in STAAD.Pro, the modeling is quite easy, but what we need to do overall, there are a couple of things need to be done before we go to the loading page and the application page. That is actually identifying the correct modeling and avoiding the errors during the modeling stage itself. This will solve a lot of time, and we can able to get the accurate design. At the same time, in case of depends upon the structural system, if it's a concrete structures or steel structures, so we might need to give appropriate design parameters to design the particular sections correctly. That is also more important. So modeling is very easy, but there are a couple of things need to be taken a note in order to do the perfect design. So that part we can discuss in the next stage, next session. Thank you.